Career Dreams Education states.
Yes, sir, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. This side Sakshi Patil. The term career dreams education means career. Here you will get the guidance of your career dreams. You can achieve the dreams over here and education.
Sure, ma'am.
Yes,
So
sir.
I'll just elaborate it in a very perfect way. Career. आपका बच्चा है. You are a student. You will have your why are you studying? What is the main motive of studying in schools and universities and colleges? The main motive behind it is that you gain job, and gaining a job is always known as career. करियर तो बना लिया भैया, अब एक सपना भी होता है. जी सभी लेते हैं, एक शानो और शौकत वाली जो जिसको जिंदगी बोलते हैं उसको ड्रीम बोलते हैं. करियर हो गया, ड्रीम्स एंड एजुकेशंस. To attain your career and to attain your dreams, you need education. So, we provide education in the form of internships. Internships which are in the online mode, but the major thing, we provide the practicality and technicality of the concepts. So, moving forward to the whole and soul of the Career Dreams Educations, we have with us Karthik Gothwal sir, Chief Executive Head, Dr. Renu Bora ma'am, Chief Operating Head, Mr. Vinayak Saxena sir, Chief Marketing and Financial Head, Rajiv Gupta sir, Managing Head, General Management. We have Riya Jan ma'am, Managing Head, Technical Department. We have Kaushik sir and Shikha ma'am, Managing Heads, Money Barters. And me myself, Rajat Sharma, Managing Head, Insta Placements. So now introducing you to the 5 wings of Career Dreams Educations. So the 5 wings of Career Dreams Educations are itself Career Dreams Educations, Technophilia 1.0, Money Barters, Business Now, and Insta Placements. मैं आपको अब इन पांचों का एक इलेबोरेशन देता हूं. करियर ड्रीम एजुकेशन डील करती है मैनेजमेंट फील्ड के साथ. एचआर हो गया, मैनेजमेंट हो गया, बिजनेस एनालिस्ट हो गया, इन सभी को इंटर्नशिप देना करियर ड्रीम एजुकेशंस का काम है. अब दुनिया में ऐसा तो है नहीं. It's not possible that we are having only HR managers, we are having only management managers. We will be having some technical persons, we are having some engineers too. So we have the special wing for it, which is known as Technophilia 1.0. We give online trainings to the engineers or the technical persons. Now introducing the Money Barters. It's a separate wing for the financial field, which is headed by Kaushik sir and Shikha ma'am. The lively experiences regarding the finance, GST, and all the aspects of the finance department are given in Money Barters. And after that, you gain the internship, you need to start the business. You are entrepreneurs. So we have a special wing which is termed as Business Now, which is under Jaisal ma'am. She is taking the whole and soul care of this Business Now. We train entrepreneurs to gain the knowledge regarding how to operate in business, help them to start their new business. It's regarding after making careers. करियर बनने के बाद जो ड्रीम होता है उसको अटेन करने के लिए जैसल मैम हमारे साथ बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव करते हैं कि वो सिखाते हैं कि आप एंटरप्रेन्योर्स कैसे बने. उसके बाद मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू द इंस्टा प्लेसमेंट्स. आपको इंटर्नशिप, वी प्रोवाइड यू इंटर्नशिप्स, बट इट्स आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर प्लेसमेंट्स. आपको प्लेसमेंट जैसे आफ्टर यू कंप्लीट अ डिग्री or a course or a diploma, companies visit you to recruit you in your campus only. Here in Career Dreams Educations, being the online mode, we have Insta placements and we are executing the placement cells of Career Dreams Educations. We have our hot deals as Ashoka Leland, HCL, Adani Thermal Power Plants, and whole and soul. We have very much MNCs tie-ups. We are trying for it. So moving forward, I welcome all the participants and all the judges present here for the judging process of Virtual Mela. So, whole and soul, first of all, I welcome Mr. Karthik Gothwal sir, founder and chief executive head. Dr. Renu Bohra ma'am, central counselor and chief operating head. Mr. Vinayak Saxena sir, edu program developer and chief marketing and financial head of Career Dreams Education. And Mr.
स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं हो रही
Uh,
स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं हो रही
anyone may respond?
सर हो रही है अभी तो
Yes, sir, we can see.
we can see
Okay. So, introducing next, we have Mr. Rajiv Gupta, sir, Managing Head, General Management. I'll just describe these four personalities of Career Dreams Educations in single words. For Karthik Gothwal, sir, we, Career Dream Educations, Team Career Dream Educations, and CDENs always use the father of Career Dreams Educations, because if Karthik Gothwal, sir, wouldn't have thought to change the whole process of Career Dreams Educations or the education concept of India, Career Dreams Educations wouldn't have existed till date. This is the man, he is the man who thought of that level and came with the organization which is known as Career Dreams Educations. Now moving forward to the Lady Dawn of Career Dreams Educations, Dr. Renu Bohra ma'am. Whenever I speak of Dr. Renu Bohra ma'am, I have no words, I literally have no words to say about her. I use only a single face for her, a single woman, the complete army. She is the whole and soul decision taker after Karthik Gothwal sir. Decisions can be taken, but to execute them, to implement them, and to plan them, there is always a mastermind sitting in a company or any of the MNCs. So, in Career Dreams Educations, we have Mr. Vinayak Saxena sir, who controls over all the plans and execute them of Career Dreams Educations. Now introducing Mr. Rajiv Gupta sir, the Managing Head, General Management, Career Dreams Education. He is whole and soul caretaker of all the departments of Career Dreams Educations. We can't I even don't have words for sir. He's so much enthusiastic in his work that I only give him one face. A single man, the complete army. So we have a woman with a complete army and a man who represents the complete army in Career Dreams Educations. The basic concept of Career Dreams Educations is to change the initial education system of India. We took the initiative to change it, and Career Dream Education will be doing it in some couple of years. So I hand over the meeting to Ronak sir, who is the day coordinator for games.
Thank you so much, sir. I would like to hand over mic to Padma ma'am to start the presentation. Padma ma'am.
So I'm sharing the screen. So my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. So, a very good afternoon to one and all present here. It is an honor to be part of this Career Dreams
Yes,
Education
ma'am.
family. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. It is an honor to be part of this Career Dreams Education family. Games should have this belief that an epic win is possible and that it's always worth trying and trying. It's always worth trying and trying. So now, day one, the competition, the first competition conducted was games. So
we have 4 different games which were conducted on that day: Ludo, Among Us, Valorant, and Call of Duty. So, no, there is no age limit for playing games. A child can play, a teenager can play, an adult can play, and even an old age also can play games. So we got majority of leads. We got majority of leads in Ludo. I think everyone are interested in playing Ludo a lot. We got children. We got children there. We got teenagers. We got adults. We even got old age people also who played Ludo very nicely. So these are here is a list of sub coordinators and coordinators because of whom the event was a very, very grand success. So coordinators were Ronak Shah sir and Garima ma'am. The sub coordinators were Sahana ma'am, Padmaja ma'am, Nandita ma'am, Sanpreet ma'am, Shruti ma'am, Rishika Khanna ma'am, Rohit sir, Shreya ma'am, Gagandeep ma'am. So because of their effort, the event was a huge success. If the teamwork was ultimate. Because of their teamwork, we because of their teamwork, the game was conducted very peacefully without any of the interruptions. So our judge for the Ludo competition was Ronak Shah sir. It is an honor to introduce our esteemed judge, Mr. Ronak Shah sir. He started his journey in Career Dreams Education as an intern in February of 2020 and promoted to team leader in April. And now he has become a judge in the competition. He is very optimistic person who always motivates others and encourages his interns towards their success. So I wish him a very good luck for his future. I wish him very good luck for his future, and and we all wish him a very good success in his career. Uh, Yes. So the game was conducted very peacefully, and finally we got three winners whose names are not going to be announced now. It is a big secret. So sabar ka fal meeta hota hai. The more you wait, the more and the more curiosity you get, and the result will be so sweet. So the wait will be over soon. So the results will be announced on the felicitation day, which will be conducted in this month only. So everyone, please wait for that day to celebrate the success of our winners who are also waiting to celebrate their winning. So for any queries, we are always open for you. We are career, we are dreams, and we are career dreams education. So thank you all. Stay home, stay safe, be happy, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. You're welcome. Ronak sir, please continue.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am,
ma'am.
so much for
Thank you,
your
ma'am.
kind introduction. I hope
Thank
every
you, ma'am.
participant has enjoyed the gaming day, the Ludo, Among